How to reset your Fantasy Premier League team before the deadline. Hey, Fantasy Premier League managers, if you want to completely reset your Fantasy Premier League team before the game week deadline, well, this video will walk you through exactly how to do it. With no stress, no penalty, let's get started. So, here, first thing first, open the Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now, here, once you are inside the app, first check your game week deadline, usually about 90 minutes before the first match kicks off. You need to make all your changes before this time. So, here, if you want to reset your whole team, your best bet is to use the wildcard chip. It allows unlimited transfers with no points deduction. As of right now, wildcard is not available to my profile, but you can simply go to the transfer page and start making your changes. And if you see a points penalty showing for your transfer, you can just activate your wildcard chip, which is usually at the top of the screen. And here, after you have set your new squad, you can just hit confirm transfers and make sure to activate your wildcard if you want those transfers to be permanent without losing points. And here, if your wildcard is already used, you can only make the number of free transfers available, usually one per game week, but you can roll over to two max, and any extra transfer beyond free ones cost minus 4 points each. And finally, always double check your team, captain choice, and bench order before the deadline to avoid any surprises. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Fantasy Premier League team before the deadline. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.